Hi everyone. I'm going to show you a quick example of Pillar cowork for SAP. Now, how this works is we have Claude cowork connected to SAP using Pillar Flow. So I have a scenario where I'm going to ask a question which reads certain data from SAP. So let me copy paste this question right over here. So what I'm doing is, I'm basically trying to check if for this particular PO, the goods receipt has been completed. If the goods receipt is complete, I want to be able to raise an invoice, against this particular PO. So let me post this questions. So it's going to start using Flow, to read the data for this particular PO and give me a confirmation. All right. Fast forwarding, Claude did all the thinking. It connected to using Pillar Flow to the backend SAP. So now it knows what it needs to do in order to, get the data. So as a user, I don't have to worry about what is the BAPI, RFC, and all those things. Pillar Flow and Claude will, together work on it and take care of it. So I have a response from SAP using Pillar Flow that the goods receipt is all good to go. I can basically post the invoice. So I already have this invoice PDF ready. I'm going to use this PDF and pass it to Claude. So let me quickly take a screenshot over here, and I'm going to post it over here, and I'm going to say. Uh, Here is the invoice. Can you post the invoice for this particular thing? Now, again, Claude will connect using Pillar Flow, find out what BAPIs, APIs, RFCs to be called. I, as a user, don't have to worry about it. Once it finds everything, it will start the post. All right. So it found what it needs, in order to perform the posting to SAP. So we'll just wait, a few seconds, let it make the call, post it, and get a confirmation on the invoice number from SAP. Perfect. Here we go. So, it basically posted the invoice. This is the date, the amount, and everything is, available right over here. So in this example, what I basically wanted to highlight is, using Pillar Flow, you can not only you can read data from SAP, but you can post data into SAP as well. So if just to summarize, if you see here, I posted this question asking if a PO is completely goods receipted. If yes, can I post a invoice? Flow, gave a response that this is the PO, this is the goods receipt document. You're good to go for the invoice. I provided the invoice details. Claude cowork connected to SAP using Pillar Flow, posted the invoice, and gave me a confirmation right over here. So that's all I wanted to cover, end-to-end scenario where I can read data, post data using Claude, using Pillar Flow, and connect to the backend SAP ECC environment. Thank you.